Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So we are in the village. We moved to the village for like, today is the 30th. Anyways, let me not do the math. We moved to the village on the 24th and hubby came on the 26th. So we have been, chilling. Eh, Papa, I will not be chilling. Yeah, so I want to take you guys along with me today. Things we're going to be doing. There's nothing much going on lately because Christmas is done. The we're just waiting for the new year and other events that might come with it. So how have you guys been? How was your Christmas? Mine was spent inside the house, just doing nothing, lie on the bed, eat, watch movies, and all of that things. I didn't know whether I should do this vlog because it's just all over the place. But anyhow, I'll try to make this vlog as organized as I can. And these nails were done by my sister. She is a nail tech. In case you want to do your nails, we stay in Anambra and we do home service. Yeah. So I just finished feeding the kid because I don't want to go downstairs. I have to come upstairs again. I'm not taking his food downstairs to the kitchen, which I'm going to be doing right now because I'm done with all the stress. So we're going to be going downstairs now, but I have to change because they're still working in the house. People are tripping out, so I have to change and get something more decent. So I'll be right back. Yeah. Hi. Say hi.
Hello.
You can say hi.
Hola. Hi.
Stroking through the streets. Tina, stroking.
Okay, let's go.
Tina, me and Tina with this yaka for Christmas here.
Yeah, baby. No bone street.
Hi guys. It's been a minute. Sorry, I've not talked to you guys for a while now. I'm so sorry if the noise is too much. So I've been so busy, and the time actually the masquerade came, and I couldn't vlog because I was very busy with something. But in case another one comes, I'll vlog it. But if it doesn't come, I'll add the one I vlogged like 3 days ago. Anyways, I want to go and make pasta, but I don't know if I have the strength anymore. But if I do, you guys are going to be seeing the video, and if I don't, either ways, you guys see what happened. I want to go downstairs now, and actually I'm hungry. So yeah, DK had a fresh haircut. Let me show you guys. Papa, turn your hair. Yeah. So I want them to see this side. See this side. He's not. He's not on his hair. Anyways, that's it. See ya. Anyways, hey guys, so I am ready for the day. I know my day is just starting by 4 o'clock in the evening. So I'm wearing this dress from my favorite, what? My favorite tailor, what's her name? I'll leave her name on the screen for you guys to go and check her page out. This is what I'm wearing. This very long dress. It's actually a beach wear, but we don't have a beach here. So I'm going to be wearing it today just to, maybe we're going to stroll out or stay in. Either ways, let me show you guys the full fit. This is what it looks like. It's a very long gown. So yeah, I
Llega. Oi, what's it today? In or out? We're not gonna join. It's interesting there. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna rip the arm off this chair.
hi guys, how are you guys doing? So finally I'm about to end this vlog. Yeah, I saw Hobbs and Shaw today. Finally, the movie, when I saw it a day for yesterday, I didn't start from the beginning, so I just recorded it and left it there till today that I decided to, see it. And man, if you've not seen that movie, I know I'm late, don't come for me. I know I'm late, don't come for me. But if you've not seen that movie, please do what you can check it out, bro. Sis, go and check it out. Yeah, so, and we went up to the rooftop to, play the, what do you, to light the, if I say, did I just say play? To light the, what's the name? To light the fireworks. And you guys saw that video too. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and do want to subscribe. This might be the, in fact, today is the 30th. I pray I can upload this video by tomorrow. I want to see if I can upload it by tomorrow so that you guys will see for the 1st of January. If I can, I will. If I cannot, you'll see it in January. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Subscribe. Happy New Year in advance. Okay.